Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2 made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller. The last time I was focused on getting the color yellow separated from images and then making the code user interactive. But as you can see, I have another problem to solve because this display is gray instead of that it shows something. So I have to reset it and see if I can make connection to it. And after that, I hope to make some changes in the code and get things to work. But first, reset. And as you can see now, everything is working. A nice functional display. RoboPro has contact. Also, battery voltages are shown and nicely fully charged. So I can close this window for now. Then source code and obviously the execution terminal. And here I will try to find or show anyway the images that I take with this camera on front. However, first things first, I need to separate the color, which I here already had done last time, but that image was completely black, so I still have to find out how things work out. First, let's try to keep it rolling, or rather walking. And of course that takes some time, because the camera has to be activated. And I can just quit this. Let's see if this works out. A normal image, yes, and a red separated image. And a yellow separated image. Yeah, alright. So I have some work to do. Apart from the color separation that obviously does not work, there has to be user interaction, because I want to choose between separating red or yellow. That has to be done here, and then everything red will have to be in the red part and everything yellow will have to be in the yellow part. So that is a real code change, which I also did for a little bit in the discovery video, if you've watched that. If not, please do. But that hasn't been finished yet, so I'll make a start here as well. See how that ends up. Here is a little bit of introduced user interaction. Let me check if it works anyway. And the choice will have to be implemented after this, if this is working. And that is not a good start. Display reset once again. And right, speed, snelheid. But now I want color interaction or user interaction for color, and that seems not to happen. because it's gone dead. Okay, that's not good. So, yeah, let me start it again. Full start. And then check the battery values, the voltage values, because this happened last time as well, but not with the driving robot. So I wonder what it is this time. Now I can check things again. So let's go find out. And they are a very nice voltage actually. A very nice voltage. Right, that also means, by the way, that I have to log in here again and also set the date. Yeah, that was nice, but it's been 20 minutes ahead, so alright, go here and let's see what happens this time. I hope it's going to work out, otherwise I really have a problem and I need a AC adapter for it. Alright, it's going, yeah, okay, at the moment it's going to walk, it quits, not nice. So what to do about this? AC adapter, that's first. With the AC adapter in place, and you can see this black cord here being plugged in right here, where you can't see it, but it is there. Let's see what happens this time. It just should be alright without any problem, which is not working out. This is really not good. Which could mean that the adapter hasn't been seated properly, although it looks like it is. So let me unplug the battery packs and I'll have to show you. So here I have it unplugged and here I am unplugging it and starting it again. And then hopefully, well, now it is clear that it is running from the AC adapter. Question remains, of course, why does it switch off anyway? Because that is something very annoying. And switching to operating mode. Alright. And once again a reconnect. Also in this terminal, once again the date. It's a little bit annoying, but it is unfortunately the way it is at the moment. What does it do? Switch off again. Moment of truth. Alright. Color, very good. Okay, that's enough for now. So I know that that part is finally working out. Now I have to implement some if clauses that make sure that either red or yellow and these things are included. But finally, I'm getting some results here, but an unanswered question about power. The next modification is then that I have put everything for red under red and yellow. G is for geel is yellow in Dutch, so everything concerning yellow is now under this condition. Everything black is right here, and let's see if this works out. Go. And wait for the camera interaction again. And I don't need a network error, obviously. Alright, let's say 500. Before I say enter, I have to put this one in place again. And that's it. Mask is not defined. Where? 45. Right. Alright, then I have to change this, and I probably did it wrong in other places as well. I'm quite sure of it now, so let me change all that. And then here right, and try again. Those 2.5 seconds is just for initialization of the camera, as I said before. And why this happens, I have no clue. Even not after all those years. I've been playing with it, I've been trying it. Okay, which color? Well, let's say yellow. And this is dreaded debugging, line 60. R is not defined. Yeah, R is defined. Alright, then let's see. Print. Let's see this. No. Does this work out? Because I need to know if Kleur has actually the value that I give it. Once again, network. Getting tired of it, but I can't get rid of it. And it's all by Wi-Fi. Maybe that's the reason. Alright, now let's see. Name R is not defined. So I put it between quotes. Would that matter? Would that make out? Make a difference? Time of truth. Okay, that is a reason. So, alright. But how about actually finding some results? So, display, and yeah, let me take the display color. That's today, and the latest is 50. Let's go. Still black. Okay, so the color separation doesn't work, but the other stuff does, although this is not quite the most recent one, because that is 1323. So let's list that. That is the latest. So something goes wrong with assigning everything else. Right, what about the red one? And then stripping this. There's no result. And if I go here, there's absolutely no red result. No, there's no result. That is something to worry about. How to solve that? And that solution is definitely something for next video. Or maybe for the discovery video, but that as well is something for another time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. Please take a look at my website for other interesting fischertechnik and embedded systems projects. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.